Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 250 plus MCQs on computer fundamentals. So let's start part 1. The term computer is derived from answer Latin. Who is the inventor of difference engine? Answer Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer science? Answer Alan Turing. Who is the father of personal computer? Answer Edward Robert. A CPU contains answer control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between user and operating system? Answer user interface. The first computers were programmed using answer machine language. Blank is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Answer network. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called answer passwords. Which of the following statement is true? Answer mini computer works faster than microcomputer. You organize files by storing them in answer folders. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Answer printers. Which device is required for internet connection? Answer modem. What is light pane? Answer optical input device. UNIVAC is answer universal automatic computer. CD-ROM stands for answer compatible read-only memory. ALU is answer arithmetic logic unit. VGA is answer video graphics array. IBM 1401 is answer second generation computer. MSI stands for answer medium scale integrated circuits. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is answer 1.44 MB. WAN stands for answer wide area network. MICR stands for answer magnetic ink character reader. EBCDIC stands for answer extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Which of the following is a part of central processing unit? Answer arithmetic logic unit. CAD stands for answer computer aided design. Junk email is also called as answer spam. Hackers answer break into other people's computer. What type of computers are client computers in a server client system? Answer microcomputer. A computer cannot boot if it does not have answer operating system. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is answer line spacing. Example of non-numeric data is Answer: employee address. What is embedded system? Answer: the computer and software system that controls the machine. First page of website is termed as. Answer: home page. Blank is the appearance of type characters. Answer: format. When a file is saved for the first time. Answer: it must be given a name to identify it. Office LANs, which are scattered geographically on large scale, can be connected by the use of cooperate. Answer: WAN. Where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Answer: main memory. Blank represents raw fact, whereas blank is a data made meaningful. Answer: data and information. What characteristics of read-only memory makes it useful? Answer: data in a ROM is non-volatile. It remains there even without electrical power. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Answer: diagnostic software. Which programming languages are classified as low-level language? Answer: assembly language. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Answer: Oracle. Which device is required for internet connection? Answer: modem. What does DMA stands for? Answer: direct memory access. Which of the following is a storage device? Answer: all of the above. When did John Napier develop algorithm? Answer: 1614. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to blank amount of data. Answer: 680 MB. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making. Answer: managers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.